Look at all the people walking down the street, and everybody's looking around with the same face. They don't have much to say, they're gonna be there anyway. It's la 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 all day long. Shining lights, shopping malls, graffiti on the walls. My soul won't straight to my shoelace. I have very little calls and I very rarely pause. I got everything but I sing a sad song. I got every little thing, every single little thing to you. I got every little thing, but I don't need a thing. There's a message right inside my home. You see it, I just put on the television. It's telling me about how it all should be. It seems to be a fool if I didn't listen. Ignore it, I could try, but it always steals.
My name is Deborah. You're at the right place if you're looking to get expert information on indoor air quality and to locate a qualified mold removal expert in your area. I've always kept a healthy home.
Got every little thing.